Okay, this week I have a 95-liter billet, I have a 17-liter billet, and an 8-liter billet. These two are what I'm going to work with today, theoretically. I'm going to try to bang this thing into submission a bit more and clean it up. And then if I get it shaped right, I'm going to wrap this one around this one, bringing it to 33 layers, at least. So, we'll see how we do. Well, I didn't get done quite what I wanted to this week, but that's okay. That monster billet, it's all high carbon steel. I drew out considerably, so I've got to draw it out some more before I'm ready to cut it and fold it to wrap around one of these other billets once I heat one of them up and wedge it to fit inside. So yeah, there's still more work to do, but that's okay. That's okay. You know, that's next week. So it's coming along. So, all right, I will see you on the other side of the week. You study well and be good.